Hey everyone, welcome to Michael's Market Monday here in Tacoma, Washington, talking about the market headed into May, ferrous and non-ferrous. Non-ferrous continues to be really volatile and unpredictable. So the one thing we know for sure that we can tell you, especially about copper, is that for absolutely certain, we have no idea what's certain. So we'll just see what happens. The LME and the COMEX still have a pretty big spread, big delta between the two. Most of the sales are no longer off of COMEX, so that's really an LME number now. The aluminum seems to be pretty strong. Nickel is a bright spot in the non-ferrous space, so some strength in that market. And also some of the aluminums too, so seeing a little bit of price support on that. In terms of the ferrous, this time of year we're usually talking about things going up, and although there's been some panic in the market that might lead you to believe 30, 40 down, it's really not been that. Sales stabilized to Turkey. Those sales going off at 330, so that freight pretty low. So they're in the 330 range there on a CFR basis per metric ton. And then on the West Coast, seeing sales going off, hearing rumors that it may have gone down a little bit more. So into the sub 300 FOB to Bangladesh territory. So that's a very high freight rate though, going into Bangladesh. The last sale to Vietnam had some support, so we'll see how that goes for May. But as it is right now, pretty unlikely we're gonna see any kind of a turnaround on especially the ferrous side as we normally would be talking about. But already $15 out of the market here in April, and looking like at least another 10 coming out in May. That's gonna bring scale prices down into the $100 to sub $100 a ton mark, and that's usually a flow killer. So that's gonna have a ripple effect going into June, July in terms of flows. So we'll see how that goes. We'll report on that. Flows, speaking of flows, have been down in almost all yards, and including commercial production facilities. Their output is down as well. So not a whole lot great to report except for this fantastic weather. Hope you're all doing great, and we'll talk to you very soon.